Before buying sim racing pedals, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, GTPLAYER Wheel Stand. The GTPLAYER Sim Racing Wheel Stand is a solid choice for those looking to set up a reliable racing environment without breaking the bank. Priced at $69.99, this universal stand caught my attention with its impressive compatibility. It works with a variety of brands like Logitech and Thrustmaster. If you want a sturdy base to support your racing setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This stand offers high compatibility, meaning you can use it with your existing racing gear without needing additional adapters. It's fully adjustable, allowing for a 20-degree height change, essential for finding that perfect driving posture, especially if you're gaming for hours. Made from high-strength carbon steel, it promises stability even during intense races. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you're good to go for a long time, and the stability you get makes it worth a little hassle in the beginning. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into sim racing and want a reliable stand that won't cost too much. But skip this one if you're looking for something more integrated with your racing setup. Now, if the assembly issues with the GTPLAYER wheel stand bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, GTPLAYER wheel stand with cup holder. Next up is the GTPLAYER Sim Racing Wheel Stand, now with a cup holder priced at $77.69. This deep black stand adds a touch of convenience that caught my eye. If you want a stand that not only supports your racing gear but also keeps your drink handy, this one's definitely worth considering. What stands out here is that it shares the same high compatibility as the first model, fitting a range of popular wheels and pedals without hassle. The fully adjustable design means you can tailor it to your height, which is super important for comfortable long sessions. It's also constructed from durable materials, ensuring it can handle the pressure of intense gaming. With the same solid rating of 4.5 stars, it's evidently a favorite among users. Some people felt that the cup holder was a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the most robust feature, it's a neat bonus that can keep your beverage close during those gripping races. This is perfect for you if you tend to snack or drink while gaming and want a stand that accommodates that lifestyle. But skip this one if you prefer a minimalist setup without extras. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for an all-in-one solution. Product number 3, Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals. The Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals combo is next on my list, priced at $279.99. This setup blew me away with its TRUFORCE technology, delivering high-quality feedback that really enhances the racing experience. If you want a more immersive feel while racing, this is worth a serious look. This means you can feel every bump in the road, which is crucial for racing games. Plus, it features a programmable dual-clutch system for smoother launches, making it easier to get ahead in races. With 5,600 reviews and an average rating of 4.6 stars, it's clear that this wheel is a favorite. Now, some users mention the price being a bit steep compared to similar models. Here's the thing though, the quality of feedback and build justifies the cost, especially if you're serious about sim racing. This is perfect for you if you're an avid racer looking for advanced features that enhance your gameplay. But skip this one if you're just dabbling in racing games and don't need those extra bells and whistles. Now, if the price of the Logitech G923 was a concern, the next product might just hit the sweet spot for budget-conscious gamers. Product number 4, Logitech G920 Driving Force. Coming up next is the Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel and Floor Pedals, priced at $199.99. This setup is perfect for Xbox and PC gamers looking to bring their racing experience to the next level. If you want a solid wheel without the higher price tag, you might want to check this out. The 900-degree rotation mimics an actual car, giving you that authentic feel, which is super important for racing enthusiasts. With 22,100 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. Some reviews noted that it doesn't work with PlayStation consoles. Here's the thing though, if you're an Xbox gamer, this is an excellent choice that delivers what you need without the extra cost. This is perfect for you if you're on Xbox or PC and want a reliable racing wheel that feels great to use. But skip this one if you plan to switch to PlayStation anytime soon. Finally, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, let's talk about the next product. Product number 5, Moza R5 All-in-One Simulator. Finally, we have the Moza R5 All-in-One PC Gaming Racing Simulator, priced at $399. This setup is for serious racers who want to invest in premium gear. If you're looking for a complete system that delivers high performance, this is definitely worth considering. The included 11-inch racing wheel is designed for comfort and grip, which is essential when you're in the heat of a race. With a 4.6-star rating and 370 reviews, it's clear that this setup is well received among gamers. Now, some people mention that it's not compatible with Xbox. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to PC gaming, this is a fantastic investment that will enhance your racing experience significantly. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sim racing and want the best gear available. But skip this one if you're on Xbox or looking for something more budget-friendly. To wrap it up, we've looked at the GT-PLAYER wheel stand, the upgraded version with a cup holder, the Logitech G923, the G920 driving force, and finally the Moza R5. Each of these has its strengths, whether you're looking for affordability or premium features. So depending on what you need, there's definitely something here for every sim racing enthusiast.